Hello! To change font style on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you will have to go into the settings. From here go into wallpapers and style, and right here as you scroll down a little bit, here you can find font settings. So let's go in there, and you can find 3 default fonts right here, and also you can download more of them. As you go in there, you will be forwarded into the application theme store, I believe. And as you find some font and actually download it, you have to simply select any font and press apply. This font will be downloaded right now, and it actually applies by default. And if you want to find these fonts which you have downloaded, you have to simply go into the, let me just show you, let's go into the theme store application, and from here you have to go into me category right here and go for my resources, and from here go into the fonts, and here you can find all of the fonts that you have downloaded and also the default one. So basically that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.